Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and the lesson we're going to start with is percents, chapter 7, percents. And the lesson is compare percents to each other and to fractions. We are already working on the chapter. The lesson we're going to start with is compare percents to each other and to fractions. Okay, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Okay, let's start with definition. Let's start with example. Sorry, we're working on the percents. And the topic name is compare percents to each other and to fractions. Got it? Let's start with the topic. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 28% and 28%. So they are exactly equal. Got it? Because both the numbers are same. Got it? Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? 98% and 99%. So you have to compare the percents. Got it? We know that 98 is less than 99. So 98% is less than 99%. Got it? They just look like you compare the numbers. Got it? So 98 is less than 99. Got it? Okay, the next one is 55 and 53. So 55 is when counting 55 is greater than 53, isn't it? So that means 55% is greater than 53%. Got it? If the numbers are written in the percentage form, that's exactly the same. You compare the numbers. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Which sign makes the statement true? 76% and 76%. Are they equal, greater, or less? They are equal. Got it? So they both of them are exactly equal. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. If you have any problem, any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 28% and 28%. So they are, the numbers are exactly same. So 28% is equal to 28%, isn't it? Okay, the next one is 47% and 48%. So 47 is greater than 48 or less than 48? 47 is greater than 48. Got it? 47 is less than 48. So the correct option is less than. Got it? Because 47 is less than 48. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? You have to compare 24 and 21. So 24% is greater than 21% or less than 21%? 24 is greater than 21. Got it? So 24% is greater than 21%. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? 23% and 26%. So 23 is greater than 23 or less than 23? 23 is less than 26. Got it? Less than 26. Okay, the next one is 96% and 93%. So 96 is less than 93 or greater than 93? 96% is greater than 93%. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 15% and 12%. 96% is, 15% is 15% is greater than 12%. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 44% and 46%. 44 is greater than 46 or less than 46? 44 is less than 46. Got it? Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 98% and 99. Are they equal, less or greater? 98 is less than 99%. Got it? Okay, they are exactly same, like you compare the numbers so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm going to start with the next topic. Got it? The next topic is compare percents and fractions word problems. Let's start with the next one. Compare percents and fractions word problems. Let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is compare percents and fractions word problems. Compare percents and fractions word problems. Okay, let's start with the example. Let's start with the first example. Okay, Ellie and Lena are stocking shelves at the grocery store where they work. Ellie has restocked 7 by 10 of her shelves. Lena has restocked 69% of her shelves. Who has restocked a greater percent of her shelves? Got it? Okay, so one of them is 7 by 10 and the other one is 69%. Got it? So you have to compare 7 by 10% and 69%. So first of all, you have to compare either both of them in the fractional form or both of them in the percentage form, or the both of them, like 7 by 10, this is in the fractional form. Got it? So convert the fraction to the percentage. Not 7 by 10%, it's just 7 by 10. Got it? So for when you have to convert 7 by 10 to the fraction, what you have to do, You simply divide 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is 0.7. Got it? Now you have to convert it into percentage form. Just multiply it to the 100. It would be 70%. Got it? Now you have to compare 70% and 69%. So 70 is greater than 69 or less than 69. 70 is greater than 69. Got it? So the correct option is, the question is who has restocked a greater percentage. That means the LA has the greater percent. Got it? Because the LA has 70% and Lina has 69%. Got it? Okay. The next one is, a supermarket found that 87% of the customers bought produce and 7 out of every 8 customer bought processed food. Which purchase was made by a greater percentage of customers? Okay, 87% of customers bought produce. Okay, 87% for produce and 7 out of 8. Got it? That means the in fractional form it is 7 by 8 bought processed food. Got it? So 7 over 8 bought processed food. Got it? So you have to convert from, first of all, you have to convert from mm, fractional form to percentage form. So we have already learned how to convert from percentage from fractional fraction to percentage. If you have any problem, go find the lesson we did last week and you can do the practice. Got it? But what you have to do, simply divide 7 over 8. So 7 over 8 equals 0.875 and just multiply it with 100. 7 over 8 equals 0.875. Just multiply it to the 100 to convert it into the percentage form. It would be 87.5%. Got it? So 87% and 87.5%. So which is greater? 87.5 is greater. Got it? That means the processed food is, let me um which purchase was made by a greater percentage. That means the processed form has a greater value. Got it? Let's start with a test, because they are the solved questions. You can do them by yourself. Okay. Clara and Kelsey are calling their customers. Clara has called 1 by 10 of her customers. Kelsey has called 11% of her customers. Who has called a greater percentage of her customers? Got it? So Clara has 1 over 10, sorry. Clara has 1 by 10 and Kelsey has 11% of the customers. So first of all, convert 1 by 10 to the percentage form. So simply divide 1 over 10, it would be 0.1. So to convert it into the percentage form, just multiply it to the 100, it would be 10%. Got it? So you have to compare who has a greater customers, who has more customers. Kelsey has more customers. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, this week Tara trimmed 2 out of 4 bushes in her yard. Rosa trims 49% of the bushes in her yard. Who has trimmed a greater percentage of her bushes? Got it? It would be one of the fraction is 2 by 4. Tara has the bushes 2 by 4. Tara trimmed 2 by 4, and which one is the other one? I forgot the name actually. Rosa has 49%. Got it? So convert 2 by 4 to the fractional form. It would be when you divide 2 by sorry, percentage form. When you divide 2 by 4, it would be 0.5%, 0.5, and just multiply it to the 100, it would be 50%. So the question is, who has trimmed a greater percentage? So who trimmed greater percentage? Tara trimmed greater percentage. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Tara is okay. So if you have any question, any problem, you can just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Your participation is highly appreciated. If you already know the answers, just write the answer. If you have any problem, just write a question. I'm here to um, answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, Nina owns 25 out of 71 gas stations in Kerala. In Wayne, Heather owns 33% of gas stations. Who owns a greater percentage of gas station in her area? Got it? So Nina has 25 of out of 71. It would be Nina has 25 over 71 and Heather has 33%. Okay, just divide 25 by 71. 25 divided by 7, it would be 0.35. So just multiply 0.35 to 100 to make it convert it into the percentage. It would be 35%. Got it? So who has a greater value? Nina has. Got it? That means Nina has the greater percentage in his area, in her area. Got it? So the correct option is Nina. Just select the correct option and click on the. Sorry, I haven't selected the option. Okay, Nina is the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, at Kendall's Pizza, half of the orders included pepperoni pizza, and at New York Pizza, 52% of the orders include pepperoni pizza. At which restaurant did pepperoni pizza make up a greater percentage of the pizza sold? So, which of them is the correct option? Half of the orders means 50% of them are pepperoni. Got it? So, who has the greater value? New York Pizza. Got it? So the correct option is New York Pizza. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, again you have the same. Recently, half of the items sold at Lisa's Sporting Goods were baseball caps. At Heather's Sports, 41% of the items sold were baseball caps. Which store sold a greater percentage of baseball caps? So half means 50%. Got it? So who has a greater value? Who has a greater value? Lisa's Sporting Goods has a greater value. Got it? Because 1 by 2 means half and half means 50%. Got it? So it would be Lisa's Shopping Goods. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 310 of the books sold at Marta's reads were fiction and 27% of the books at Ethan's books were fiction. Which sold a greater percent of fiction books? Got it? You have to convert 3 by 10 to the percentage form. Marta has 3 by 10 and Ethan has 27. Okay, 3 over 10. Marta and I forgot the name. Ethan's 27%. Got it. So 3 by 10 is 0.3. You have to multiply it to the 100. It would be 30%. Got it. So which of them has a greater value? 27% or 30%? 30% is a greater value. Got it. So that means Marta's has a greater number of fiction books. Got it. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is percent of numbers and money amounts. Let me write down the lesson name. It is percents of numbers. No one is answering. Why? Is there any problem? Percents of numbers and money amounts. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Complete the following statement. 20% of 35 is, you have to compare, you have to calculate 20% of 35. Got it? That is actually the whole number. Got it? The whole number is 25%. And you have to calculate 20%. That means the part is 20%. Got it? You have to form a, we have already done these questions in the last topic, in the last chapter, in the last session actually. Okay, you have to form a proportion, so it would be, sorry, it is 35. The whole is 35. You have to calculate the part. Let's suppose n is the part. Got it? It would be n divided by 35, and that equals 20 divided by 100. Got it? Okay, just do cross multiplication. N times 100 equals 20 times 35. Nancy, you don't have to be sorry, you just have to answer the questions, because without participating, I don't know how, if you guys getting the points I'm explaining, or if you have any problems. So you have to do 20 times 35, it would be 700, and divided by the 100, so it would be 7. That means 20% of 35 is 7. Got it? 20% of 35 is 7. Got it? Okay. Okay, the next one is 50% of 44. 50% of 44. This is the whole number actually, and you have to compare the part of this number, 50%. Got it? Okay, just form a proportion. It would be n divided by 44 equals 50 divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be n equals 50 times 44 divided by 100. Got it? Just do 44 times 50. It would be 2200 divided by 100. Got it? So it is 22. That means 50% of 44 is 22. Got it? Okay, let's start with the practice questions. Okay, what is 10% of 10? You have to calculate 10% of 10. Got it? This is the whole number. You have to calculate the part that is 10% of the number. It would be n divided by 10 equals 10 divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. So it would be n equals 10 times 10 over 100. 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 over 100 is 1. That means 10% of 10 is 1. Got it? The correct option is 1. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 75% of 4. So 75% of 4 is 3. No one is answering, but I know the answer. 75% of 3. This is the whole number. This is the percentage, that would be 75%. It would be n divided by 3 equals 75 over 100. So it would be n equals 75 times 3 divided by 100. So 75 times 3 is 225. Got it? I think you have to calculate 75% of 4. Yes, it is 4. Because I know the answer, so it would be 75% of 75 times 4 is, I think, mm, 300. Yes, it is 300. Got it? So you have to do 300 divided by 100. So it would be 3. Got it? That means 75% of 4 is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, next one is, what is 80% of 30? You have to calculate 80% of 30. 80% of 30. Okay, the whole number is 30, and you have to calculate the part of 30, that is 80%. So it would be n over 30 equals 80 over 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be n equals 80 times 30 over 100. 8 times 3 is 24. It would be 2400 over 100, and it would be 24. That means 80% of 30 is 24. Got it? Okay, it is 24. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 25% of 36 is 25% of 36 is 9. Got it? You have to follow the same procedure like we are doing for the questions. Okay, 30% of 20 of 90 is 33% of 90 is 27. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 50% of 50 is 50% means half of the 50. So half of the 50 is 25. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Seventy-five percent of 28 is 25. Got it? 75% of 28 is 20. Oh, sorry, it is 21, not 25. So the correct option is 21. Okay, 80% of 10 is 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. You guys are not answering, so how do I know if you are getting the points? So if you have any problem, please contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is, find percent of one number is, find what percent of a number is another number. Let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is find what percent one number Find what percent one number is of another. Got it? So they are word problems actually. Okay, let's start with the example. Nancy, what you don't know, you just don't understand. What question? Please write the question in the chat box so that I can explain it on the board. Nancy, which question is this? Please write the question so that I can explain. I'm waiting for the question. Nancy, be quick, please write the question. Otherwise, I'm going to use an example. Okay, the topic I'm explaining earlier is percent of number and money amounts. Got it? For example, you have to calculate 80% of 10. I think that's the last one I did on the tutorial. You have to calculate 80% of 10. Got it? So 10 is actually the whole number. Got it? You have to calculate 80%. That means some part of the 10. Got it? So part is 80%. Got it? You have to form a proportion. The proportion is n divided by 10. N is the number that you have to find. Got it? And the percentage form it is 80 over 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be n equals multiply the 10 to 80. So it would be 10 times 80 and divided by 100. So 80 times 10 is 800 and 800 divided by 100 is 8. Got it? Just understand the thing. You have to calculate 80% of 10. That means 10 is the whole number. You have to calculate the part of 10, 80% part of the 10. So part is 80%. So you have to n is the number you have to find. Got it? So it is n over 12 because n is the part of 10. Got it? And 80 over 100. So this way you can find the 80% of 10. So 80% of 10 is 8. Got it? Nancy, did you get it? Or I'll do another example. Please reply, Nancy. I'm waiting for the message from you. Nancy, that's the question I'm doing on the test, the last one before leaving the test. That's the one I did on the test. I think that's probably the ninth question from the test, eighth or ninth. Leave it if you can't find the question. Just let me know if you get it, how to solve the question so that I can move on. Okay, good. I'm going to start with the next topic, that is find what percent one number is of another. And we're going to start with the word problems. Got it? So let's start with the topic. I'm going to start with an example and then we'll start the test questions because we already know how to find what percent of one number is another, because we did this topic in the last session. If you need more help with the topic, you can find the last session, do the practice question, and then start with this one. Got it? 30 out of 40 students at school assembly were first grade students. What percent of the students at the assembly were first graders? Got it? 30 out of 40. So it would be 30 over 40. And you have to calculate what percent it is. Got it? 30 over 40. Let me read the question once again. 30 over 40 students at school assembly were first grade students. What percent of the students at the assembly were first graders? Okay, you have to find the, okay, you have to calculate the percentage. 30 over 40 is what percent? Okay, just from the, use the same proportion we did, 30 over 40. Now you have the you have to find the percentage. Got it? You are not given what percent it is. Got it? You have to just multiply p equals 30 times 1000, 30 times 100 divided by 1000, sorry, 40. Just do cross multiplication. Do 30 times what? It is 30 over 40 and p over 100. So it is 30 times 100 divided by 40. Got it? Just multiply them. It is 3000 divided by 40. It is 75%, I think. 33,000 divided by 40. Yes, it is 75. That means 30 over 40 is 75% of the total students. Got it? So 75% of the total students are first grade students. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Okay, let me read the question. The lunch choices last Friday were mushrooms or pepperoni. The cafeteria made 56 pizzas in all. Excuse me. The cafeteria made 56 pizzas in all, 28 of which were mushroom pizzas. What percentage of the pizzas were mushroom pizzas? So 28 out of 56 were mushroom pizzas. You have to calculate the percentage. So it is 28 over 56, and p divided by 100. You have to calculate what percent it is. Got it? Just do p equals 28 times 100 divided by 56. So 2800 divided by 56, I think it's 50%, because 28 is exactly the half of 56. So yes, it is 56, 50%. Got it? Okay. If you don't want to form a proportion, I'll explain a simplest way. The simplest way is, let me explain for the next question. At a water park, 72%, 72 out of 96 sold were child tickets. What percent of the tickets were child tickets? So it is 72 out of 96. 72 out of 96. Got it? The easiest way is divide 72 by 96. It would be 0.75 and then multiply it to the 100. It would be 75%. That's the simple. They are exactly the same. You are dividing 28 by 56 and multiplying to the 100. Got it? So both of the methods are exactly same. Got it? It is 75%. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, at a school carnival, 35 out of 35 tickets were tickets sold were early admission tickets. Pe- what percent of tickets were early admission? So 35 out of 35. Got it? That means you all the tickets, so it would be 100%. Got it? Okay, Kelsey's tea shop has caffeinated tea and decaffeinated tea. The tea shop served 44 teas in all, 11 of which were caffeinated. What percent of the teas were caffeinated? So 11 out of 44 is 11 out of 44. So just divide 11 by 44 and multiply to the 100. It would be 0.25, and 0.25 times 100 is 25%. That means 25% of the uh, teas are tea was caffeinated. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is the city council voted a new tax. 43 council members are in the favor of tax. The council has 86 members. What percentage of the council members voted in favor of the tax? So it would be 43 over 86. Got it? Just calculate 43 over 86. It would be zero point 0.5 multiplied to the 100. It would be 50%. That means 50% of the members were voted for the tax. Got it? Okay, the next one is Bonnie had both chocolate cake and coconut cake at her birthday party. There were 27 people at the party and 27 of them picked chocolate cake. What percentage of the people at the party picked chocolate cake? So the total people are 27. All of them picked chocolate cake. That means the 100% of them. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself till later today. Nancy, I'm explaining the uh, question again. Just listen to me carefully, the one from the last topic, uh, that is percent of number. Got it? So let me go to the topic again, find a question, and then let me do it again. Okay, 25% of 8. Listen to me carefully. 25% of 8. 8 is the whole number. Got it? You have to find 20%, 25%. 25% is actually the portion of 8. Got it? So you can say you have to find 25% of 8. 25 is the percentage. You have to find n, that is the part of 8. So n over 8 divided by 25 over 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be 25 times 8 over 100. Got it? 25 times 8 is, I think, 200. Yes, it is 200, and 200 divided by 100 equals 2. That means 2 is 25% of 8. Got it? That's the one you asked the question. I'll explain it again. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or otherwise, please find the session we did last week, uh, and repeat the session again. Do the practice questions. Probably then you will find that concept. Got it? Okay, so we have covered 4 of the topics today. They are compare percents to each other and to fractions, compare percents and fractions, word problems, percents of numbers and money amounts, find what percent one number is of another, word problems. Got it? We have covered 4 of the topics today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. Got it? If you need more help with any of the topic, um, mm, please contact two tutors on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Bye.